afternoon, or evening, depending where you are in the world right now. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I have a 1100 American lock here. I'm sure it's been modified, so I would say it's a challenge lock. This is what it looks like. Someone put this on it, little Lego whatnot. And I guess they glued the key together in this block here. All cool, all well and done, but you forgot to put your name on it. So I don't know who it's coming from. I'm sure you know, unless it's inside this after I pick it. So maybe, maybe. I don't know what that is in there, but that's what I got. A 1100, and let's see what we can do about getting into this puppy. I want a dog so bad. I gotta try how do you say it, finagling my sister into letting me have a dog here. I miss my cat so much. I just want to have a little furry friend around. Either or, you know what I'm saying? All right, let's shed the tears and move over, and let's try picking this. I miss my furry friend. Okay. It's got a little sloppy core here, but no, I guess it's not sloppy. I don't know. We'll see what's going on here. Use the big side. Come on, man. Okay. Gonna be using a homemade pick, kind of a short hook here, and let's see what we got. Here we go. Clicky on one. Click on two. Nothing's on three. Four. Gotta click on four. And five is binding. Come on. Okay. Back to beginning. Okay, that was one. That was two. That was a good click. Three. It's binding. Nice. Good one. Okay, we got four. Little counter rotation there. And my counter rotation went away. All right, I'm going to start from the beginning again. Nothing on one. All right, nice click out of two. Nice click out of three. Four. It feels like spools in there. Spools and serrated. Okay, but I've been known to be wrong. But it sure feels that way. Okay, I think I'm on four. Okay, nothing on five. Back to beginning. Nice one on one. 2, 3, nothing on 4, little out of 5. All right. 1, nothing on 2, 3, click out of 4, nothing on 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got counter rotation and it's binding. There we go, babies. All right, man. How about that easy?
That was easy.
That's what I asked you. What did you think? You know?
That was easy.
No. What did you think? Pretty good pick or what? Huh? Well, don't say nothing then.
That was easy.
Oh, you know what? You dropped it. Yeah, I gotta get another easy button saying I'm cute or you're doing good. What do you do? Exactly nothing. You interrupt me. Oh, I'm not even gonna talk to you right now. Don't bother me. Don't even come on. Oh wow, check this out. Inside this little biscuit thing here, we have a little CD drive. I'm almost afraid to plug this thing in. Um, it might be lock porn. Yeah, I don't know, but it's kind of cool. Um, we'll see. I don't know. Yeah, no name and everything. All I need to do is plug something in with a major infection in it or something. Um, so this is what we got here. Um, yes, I will gut this. No, I don't have a key. I mean, I got the key, but it's glued together there. So let me take that out. That's all I need there. I don't need this here. Need that there. Oh. Canning tray. It's working here. Let me sorry guys, take me a minute here. Trying to have a short video, but it doesn't look like it. Yeah, here's a screw, here's a clamp, retainer, and here we go. Yeah, I sure hate these tiny pins. I always seem to lose them, but we're doing it. We're off and running. Man, I can't close it because I got the key there. I mean, glued. So I got to be careful here. Okay. Shimmy dim dim. Yeah, I'm sure you're gonna leave me a message, whatever, about the lock. Need to know whose it's from, so I'd appreciate it. Alrighty. You know what? Most likely I'm not even in camera. Sorry guys, I don't know if I was or I wasn't, but I am now. Okay, I'm going to dump the pins. Number one. Oh yeah. Very nice sharp spool. I guess you could call it a spool. Um, Man, here's some tiny ass work here. I'm telling you, these pins are so small. To do what you have to do here is pretty cool. This is like another a serrated top. I'm just gonna do it. You guys will look at it in a minute. Oh, beautiful. So far, I hit it right on the nail. Serrated and kind of like spools. So that's what it felt like. That's what it is. Getting pretty good at this. Maybe I should go into being a doctor or something. Huh? Nothing there. There. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 chambers, but only 5 of them are occupied. I didn't think there was a 6th chamber. So let me take the real quick look at this. Um, Nothing in 1, nothing in 2, nothing in 3, nothing in 4, nothing in 5. Okay, so the core is, wait a minute. Yeah, core is straight. Let me get some light on this just to make sure. One side feels a little undercut, but let's see what you guys think. You guys see it all? I'm trying my best. At it. Come on, focus. I don't think so. I think we're good. So, yeah. All right. Sorry, man. Got a stomach ache too. Let's see what we got in the Bible here, shall we? We shall. Um, Always good to mark. Damn it. Um, which way you're taking it out. I just happen to always take it out with that in the front, so when you take it out and you set it down, you lose all kinds of, you lose track. All right. These are really nice pens, by the way. You're teeny tiny, but come on, man. All right. That one just didn't want to come out. Teeny tiny spring. Beautiful little pin there. I mean, don't get me wrong. I do it when I do my challenge padlock, but that is really, really nice. Um, but I have to sit there under a magnifying glass that stands up on my desk. Otherwise, I couldn't do it. Just too, whoa, just too small. So small and everything, they're sticking. God, I thought I lost that. So small that you can blow them away. And you'd be crawling on the floor trying to find it. Why are these all sticking? Nothing in that one. Yeah, they're there. The springs are just a little on the small side. Where'd that go? Or did it go? 3. Oh, there's. Whew. Again, I thought I almost lost it. Can't even pick them up. I'm going to stretch the springs out a little bit. Really, really nice work. Let me know whose challenge lock this is. Let me see what's going on in here. I don't think we're going to have anything. I don't think there's anything done to that. I think it's standard. Felt like it was undercut, but I think we're good. Just going to double check it. Yeah, all good. All right, let me show you what I got here. Pretty interesting. All right, let me zoom. Okay, bottom pins. Focus is like a long tapered with a sharp top, like a little spool there, or a big serration. The second one has got a very sharp top, like a mushroom slash spool, I guess. The third one is a serrated pin, very fine cuts in it. The fourth one's upside down, but that's beautiful. A double serration. It's got a serration on the top, followed by a big serration on the bottom. It is upside down. No, I'm not gonna bother with. Yeah, I am. God, I can't stand myself sometimes. That's what I was afraid was gonna happen. Okay, but I saved it. All right, so that's the fourth one. It's beautiful, and a fifth one there is like a serrated pin, one big serration in there. The top one is a spool slash serrated. We got serrated dumbbell, nice spool in there. The third one is a serrated, almost looks like a bullet. And you know what? I didn't even notice, but my God, it is. The what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one here is a pin and pin. I don't know if you can see that, but watch, it'll close. Pretty neat. Hey, I'll try doing this a little better. See, it's got a hole in there. I don't need to knock it out, but you can see it's moving. Really sweet, small ass pin and pin. And the last one there on the top is a double serrated slash spool. You did fine work on these pins, very impressing, being it that small and stuff. So all I need to know is, like I said, if you would have put your, well, wait a minute. It's not glued. It's a magnet. Okay, maybe here's his name. His name is blank. No name. Got a dollar sign or whatever. And it's pretty, that's pretty cool. You went the extra mile. Got magnets here, guys. And all he did is he stuck the key in here um, and put this paper in there. I thought it was glued. And there it is, man. A magnet. There it is. Sorry. Key. Cool. That was really, that was pretty cool. Um, I'd just like to know whose lock it is. So that's all I got for you. You like what you hear, you like what you see. Please hit the like and subscribe button. And please don't put your pics in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. Thank you very much. I'm gone.